Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to clear app cache on Tumblr mobile. To clear the app cache can help resolve issues like slow loading times or unexpected behavior within the Tumblr app. So I'm going to show you how to do it. The first thing you're going to do is access the app settings. Now I'm going to show you how to access the app settings if you're using Android or iOS. If you're using Android, simply go to the phone settings, tap on apps or application, find and select Tumblr from the list. If you're using an iOS device, go to settings, scroll down and tap on Tumblr. Now we've gotten to the Tumblr app. Next thing we're going to do is look for storage or cache. Usually find options like storage, cache or clear cache. Tap on clear cache. This will delete temporary files stored by the app, which can free up space and improve performance. Please note that clearing the cache will not delete your account information or posts. You have nothing to worry about there. And the other thing is you might need to log back into your Tumblr account after clearing the cache. By following these steps, you can effectively clear the app cache on Tumblr and potentially resolve any issues you're experiencing. But if you're still encountering problems after clearing the cache, consider the additional steps. 1. Update the Tumblr app. Ensure you have the latest version installed from your device app store. And then, you can simply do a restart. A simple restart can often resolve minor glitches. If the issue persists, try uninstalling and then reinstalling the app. I hope this helps. Let me know if you have any questions in the comment section. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.